Over the last 100 years, thousands of birds have flown to their death over a small strip of land in Jatinga, India. In a town of only 2,500 people, this bizarre Bermuda Triangle of flow death remaining largely unexplained despite studies by India's most prestigious ornithologists. After monsoon season, usually in September and October, and only occurring on dark moonless night, 44 species of bird in Jatinga suddenly become disturbed between the hours of 6 to 9 p.m. Strangely become disoriented, the birds plunge towards the touches and light of the cities. However, the term suicide is a misnomer for a couple of reasons. While birds have been known to occasionally plunge to their death, usually it is the villagers in Jatinga who do the actual killing, believing the birds to be spirits flying from the sky. To terrorize them, the villagers took capturing them with bamboo poles and beating the birds to death. Despite the danger and the repeat performances every year, the birds continue to fly to their death in the small area of 1,500 by 200 meters. A number of theories have been proposed. One suggests that a combination of high altitude, high wind, and fog leads disorientates the birds and they are attracted to light of the villages as a sort of flight stabilization. Another theory suggests that the weather of region leads to changes in a magnetic qualities of underground water, causing the birds' disoriented state. Wildlife and bird societies in India have gone to villages and educate them about the phenomenon in an attempt to stop the mass killing of birds. Since then, birds' death have decreased by 40%. Government officials in Assam are hoping to use the phenomenon to attract tourists to a small city, and some work has gone into creating accommodations of visitors in Jatinga. So viewer, what about you think about the suicide of Jatinga birds? Please leave your valuable comment and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Till then, bye bye.